Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it arrived about half an hour ago. It's the Rituals 3D advent calendar. They've got a 2D advent calendar which costs £74.50 and has a value of £140. Next there's a 3D advent calendar, which is what I'm showing you today. That costs £105 and it has a value of £172. Then you've got a luxury advent calendar which will cost you £160.50 and has a value of £269. I've been unboxing Ritual advent calendars for the last couple of years. Last year was the first year that I went for the 3D one and I loved it. It is so beautiful. It comes with light. You need to add 2 AA or AAA batteries and you have a Christmassy decoration. They've changed the designs this month, which I really like. Previously it was like a little gorgeous traditional Christmas village. This time they're Christmas trees, so I love that. I really love that. But one of the negatives is that the pricing has gone up, which is not great with the current situation the UK is facing, particularly over the next couple of months or so. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you think though. Please comment down below. I'm going to be unboxing it fully and I'm going to go off, set it all up, set the lights up and show you what it looks like right at the end. But if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself or any other advent calendars I've unboxed, plus I got a huge Facebook post full of advent calendars that I'm posting up daily. All information, all links will be listed down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's open this up. No, I thought I could open it. I'll be back. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh my word. And it just is so exciting. Yes, I love rituals. If you're new to my channel, then yeah, I am obsessed with rituals. If you've been following me for a while, you will know. So this is the calendar, which I will be fitting together at the end. Is it 25 days? I'm not sure, maybe 24. Anyway, so I'll go through them one by one showing you and then I'll pop them back in the calendar. But you've got a little box here with the Christmas lights in. Day number 1, I've got a little bauble box. I've got to be really careful. I don't want to break it because I want to put it back on the tree. And we got a candle. This is Suede Vanilla from the Private Collection. Gorgeous little candle. Smells really nice. Smells really nice. Yeah, so that's day number 1. Oh yeah, light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the enchanting aroma of this woody yet floral fragrance. Day number 2. We've got a reed diffuser. This is Ritual of Myrrh and there's 70 mils here. And then you've got some sticks then to pop in the top there. I love this scent, really love it. So it's a really nice size. I received the full size version of this, which is really big, for Christmas last year from someone in my family. So yeah, really happy to have another one. Day number 3. And, ooh, this is something completely new for me. This is a Laundry Deluxe softener and scent booster in the Ritual of Sakura. I love the scent, absolutely gorgeous. Rice milk and cherry blossom, and there's 75 mils there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this existed. A fabric softener for your clothes. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. Treat your laundry to this merry meeting of the Ritual of Sakura scent booster and fabric conditioner in one. There's that. Day number 4 is another bauble, which is quite difficult to open. And we got another candle. This is Sweet Jasmine from the Private Collection. There. Smells nice. Smells really nice. The second Sunday, experience the calming effect of Sweet Jasmine by lighting this candle on the second Sunday of your Advent. Who's that? Day number 5. And we've got the Ritual of Jing. This is a serene foaming shower gel, sacred wood and lavender. And there's 50 mils here. I absolutely love this scent as well. It is gorgeous, really lovely. It's a relaxation scent, so perfect for using the shower gels. They do body lotions before you go to bed to help you relax. They also have a pillow spray as well. Yeah, it's a really nice product. I forgot to read the back. It just says, prepare for sleep with the Ritual of Jing Sleep Foaming Shower Gel with lavender and sandalwood. Day number 6. Oh, we got a body mist. This is Tulip and Japanese Euro from the Amsterdam collection. And there's 20 mils there. This collection is beautiful. It's so, so pretty. I remember having it in, yeah, it's nice, in last year's advent calendar. That's really, really nice. Yeah, lovely. Okay, I'll remember to read the back of this now. With a Spritzer body mist, imagine yourself surrounded by the wonders of 17th century Amsterdam. Yeah, I would love to have visited Amsterdam in the 17th century. Day number 7. We've got Ritual Sport Anti-Dryness Body Lotion with activated charcoal. And there's 70 mils here. Oh, this sounds great. 95% natural origin, designed to make you feel revitalised. Power recharge technology. Yeah, it'd be good for my husband. Tackle uncomfortable dry skin with an anti-dryness body lotion designed for active lifestyles. Yeah, definitely for my husband. Not me. Day number 8. We've got the Rituals of Haman. This is a mild body scrub paste, clay and white tea, and there's 70 mils here. This is another gorgeous scent. There's no scent that I don't like, I don't think. Not that I've come across yet, not that I can remember. No, this is just really nice exfoliator for your skin. Do good for your skin with a mild 94% natural origin body scrub from the Ritual of Haman with ultra-fine bamboo particles and kaolin clay for super soft, clean skin. Day number 9, we've got the Ritual of Namaste. This is conscious skincare, so it's a Glow Radiance Anti-Aging Day Cream with Bacterial Repair Complex. And there's 10 mils there. Reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with this Bacterial Repair Complex Day Cream. I'm just reading. Is there a point to me reading what's on the back of these? I'm just repeating what is written on the actual products. From memory, they used to have like a really gorgeous quote. Am I right? I'm just trying to think of last year's and the year before on the back of the packaging. I'm sure it did, but it just seems like, no, it's just telling you what it is, and that is it really, unless we come across a candle. I don't know, let me know. So we've got a moisturiser. Day number 10, it says, give your guests a luxurious experience for the entire visit with a new Ritual of Jing soap bar. Ooh, I don't want to break it. I love these, absolutely love these. Love the scent as well, just nice and handy. I've got to be honest with you, I never really use them. I just like collecting them, I just think they're gorgeous. I will try and use this. It's just started pouring down with rain, so if you can hear some background noise behind you because I'm filming right in front of a window, I apologise. Listen. Can you hear? I used to film in a tiny little room a couple of years ago on YouTube. It's now my husband's office since the pandemic hit, so he works from home, and it had a Velux window, and I used to love the sound of rain when it came down. Annoying when I was doing videos because it's so flipping loud, but oh my gosh, I used to love it. So we got another candle here. This is Savage Garden from the private collection. They're cute, aren't they? Really lovely candles. Ooh. It's nice, but not amazing. It smells like a men's body wash, something like that. Light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of ancient sage. Yeah. So there's that. I'm getting lost now. I think we're on day number 12. I think so. It says here, treat yourself with a Christmas red scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin. There we go. We had one of these in last year's advent calendar. Handy little thing to have, but I do actually have a few of them. But they are really handy. Keeping them in the shower or bath for exfoliation. Day number 13. And we've got Rituals Haman. This is a shower foam, cedarwood and vitamin E complex. So one for the men in my family. I've got a husband and 2 boys. To wash off the day with a cleansing and invigorating Haman foaming shower gel. Day number 14. Oh, I love this. It's a body oil. This is Ritual of Ayurveda, Nourishing Rich Body Oil, Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil, and there's 30 mils there. Now, even though I cannot stand rose scented products, I love this one. It is gorgeous. It must be the type of rose. Indian rose is much nicer than traditional pure rosy scents, you know, that you sometimes get. I just don't like it personally, but I do really like this. Rebalance your skin's moisture levels with intensely nourishing benefits of Ayurvedic oils and 97% natural origins. Day number 15. We've got Rituals of Sakura. This is a shampoo, volume and nutrition. And there's 50 mils here. I don't think I've tried this. I don't think I have. Oh, I just love the smell. Oh, cherries. It is just beautiful. Oh, I hope we have a conditioner in here as well, or else I won't be annoyed. That's a bit extreme, but it would be nice to have a conditioner just so that you can pair them together. Volume boosting shampoo for nourishment and purity, 90% natural origin. Yeah, I love that. Day number 16. Yeah, we got the conditioner. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So, Ritual of Sakura conditioner. Enjoy part 2 of your Christmas surprise with a matching Ritual of Sakura product. So there's that. Day number 17. Ooh, this is from the Elixir collection. Keratin Recovery Hair Mask. Keratin and argan oil. And there's 20 mils there. Again, something new for me. Repair your hair while you daydream of Christmas miracles with our Keratin Recovery Hair Mask. 18, we've got another bauble. Oh, these are, it's going to take me longer to set up this advent calendar afterwards, guaranteed longer than actually filming this. We got another candle. This is Precious Amber from the private collection. That was really nice. Yeah, not normally a scent I'd go for in terms of like perfumes, but for a room candle, oh, that's really nice. Transform your home into a fragrant haven of amber and juniper by lighting the candle on the 3rd Sunday of December. Candle. Day number 19. And we've got the Ritual of Haman. Is this the first time we've had the Haman range? I think it is. This is a purifying ceremony for body and soul. Soul uplifting body cream. Fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. And there's 100 mils there. I've tried a product from all of their scents, really. Might not have tried all their products, but from their ranges. And oh, it's so nice. When you think of eucalyptus, you think, oh, strong scent, really great if you've got a cold, you know? But no, this is really quite subtle. It just smells beautiful. Yeah, really gorgeous. Really, really nice. So there's that. Does it say anything else about it? No, it just says that it nourishes your skin. Day number 20. Only a few more to go. And, oh my gosh, this really excites me. It's another thing for washing your clothes. This is Laundry Deluxe detergent, the Ritual of Sakura. Yeah, it's a washing detergent. Brilliant. So I've got a fabric softener and a fabric wash, and there's 100 mils here. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm going to do my bedding, I think. Do my bedding first. I'll see how much it is on their website, and I might go for the full size one just for bedding. Although I'd love all my clothes to smell of it as well, but yeah, I think bedding would be gorgeous. So that's day number 20. Day number 21. We've got room spray. This is from the Ritual of Myrrh and sweet orange and cedarwood. There's 50 mils here. These are really, really nice. So we've got the Reed diffuser in this scent, and then we've got the spray then to top up. Oh yeah, you just switch that to the side. There. Yeah, really, really nice. A reason to smile with a Ritual of Myrrh perfume L'Intérieur, which transforms any room with a single squeeze of the spray. Day 22. And we've got a Ritual of Jing. Oh, I love these. Instant care hand lotion for all types, 70 mils. I absolutely adore these. They smell gorgeous anyway on your hands, but they just feel amazing. I've already put something else on my hand, haven't I? Yeah, the body lotion, doesn't matter. Really, really nice. They used to do a balm, a really thick hand and nail balm, but I don't think they do them anymore. And they were amazing as well. They were really lovely, but yeah, really happy with that. It says, revel in the nourishing and protecting benefits of the Ritual of Jing hand lotion with jujube and white lotus. Day 23. Oh, what is this? This is a lipstick, perfume. Look. Press the button, lift it up. It's a lip balm, is it? Yeah. And that smells mentholy. Love the packaging. Mistletoe moments. Prep, moisturise and protect your lips before applying your festive lipstick shade with this full-size Fortune Balm. It's kind of menthol smelling. I like that. The last day of the advent calendar, day number 24. Oh, we got a perfume. We got a perfume. This is Eau de Parfum. Which one are you? Is it the Sakura? This is Ritual of Haman Eau de Parfum. But there's, I think it says 15 mils there. We usually get a perfume in the advent calendars. Oh, okay. Let's try it on my hand there. Oh, I don't know what it is. What's it say? Dream of Japan's Hanami season and celebrate new beginnings with the Eau de Parfum Rive de Hanami. Rive de Mahami. The more I'm smelling it, the more I'm realising I actually probably wouldn't have this as a perfume. It does smell nice, but not my usual type of perfumes that I go for. Even though I was excited we got a perfume and it's beautiful, I honestly don't think that I would use it as a perfume, so I might pass that on. But that's fine. With advent calendars, you're not expected to love everything. You hope to love everything, but there are going to be a few things that you've already got or you don't like, you've tried before and things like that. So yeah, so it's not a big shock that I'm not particularly keen on that. Anyway, those are all the days of this Ritual 3D calendar, the middle tier calendar. I'm glad I went for it. There's some beautiful things in there, some really great sizes as well. A lot of products I've tried before and I love. There's some things there for the men as well. So no, overall I'm really happy. I'd love to hear your thoughts though, so please comment down below. But let's get on to showing you what it looks like all finished and all lit up and everything. I'm really embarrassed to share this with you. This is my finished look. I'm really impulsive. I tried to look for advice, tried to follow the advice. I did to an extent, but in all honesty, if you're on social media and you want to get this calendar and you're going to unbox it, set up the tree first with all the baubles on, because a lot of them I can't get on because they won't close properly. And these little ties keep on falling off because I've already opened up the packaging. So I'm going to have to sort it all out and do it again another time because I want it for Christmas. So I've got until December to work out how the heck I can do it. But I've even lost the top. There was like a little round star thing on there, but I broke it. So yeah, I think the design last year was a lot easier. But it is cute. It is cute. It just looks a mess. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.